Okay, so I just got a bunch of packages. They all came at like the same time. And there's some really fun things in here. This package came from Nevada. This package came from Korea. This package came from Alaska. In this video, I'm gonna build up a bike that I've been wanting to build up for like 10 plus years. Sourcing the parts for this is not easy. I've had to look all over the place, clearly, as I just described. For this bike, I've been looking for very specific things because I have a build in mind. What am I gonna build, you ask? Boom! This is a size medium Volume Thrasher V1 in the raw colorway. This is the only Volume Thrasher I wanted. I wanted the raw, I wanted the 50 centimeter medium, and I wanted the V1. This frame I got used, sent to me from Pacific Northwest. This fork is brand new. Someone hit me up on Instagram and said they had one, and it's in great condition. I'm happy with it. On here is a very poor condition brown resist saddle. If anybody has a better condition one that they want to sell me, please hit me up. It came with this sprocket and cranks. I'm gonna swap those out though for something exciting that's in one of these boxes. Alongside all of these parts that I'm about to open, I have my pink Volume Trickster V1s that will be going on this build, and a pair of profile hubs that I will be lacing up to what you've probably assumed are the rims in this box. This one, we have a 36 tooth. Look at it, still has a sticker in there. 36 tooth polish sprocket. This box, boom, polished cranks, also brand new. Resist bottom bracket, resist headset. I'm basically just living out my like 2010 dream bike. Got all the parts ready to go. Now I just need to take the rims and hubs over to Epic Bike Shop, the best bike shop in SoCal, to get this stuff built up. Oh, thank you. Beautiful. All yours. you.